Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas that is more or less covered with mead and black paint. I need some swipe therapy and I'm thinking about doing a diagonal. So I'm going to use my Anita's black metallic as a moist layer underneath. Because I can and I don't have to think about it. I know it'll work. And I'm just going to keep adding things until I decide to stop. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. No rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I'm just going to squeeze colors out and start. This is Royal Sapphire. I've been craving some Fandango Royal Sapphire green and turquoise together combinations. Actually, I have a whole lot of colors I like and they're all on deck. I am going to include a little frozen in that. Oh, this is cerulean blue. I need to give that a little shake. Let's just go for it. What's this? This is looking a lot like Indigo Violet. I think I'm going to add some of my new metallic white, which is Artist Loft and Deco Art Dazzling White and leftover Anita's. Because I can. Now, before I decide to change my mind, I'm going to go for the Fandango. I just found I had some left in my cache of my stash. So I mixed it up yesterday. Today I'm using it. Could just be making a painting right now. I like this part of the process, honestly. I don't know where it's going to go. I have a new color, or a relatively new color, which is Frozen Amethyst, which I absolutely love. And when I run out of it, there's no more to back it up, so I'm just going to hope it lasts a while. I've got Dancing Fuchsia. Put that near the white. Maybe I'll put a few more puddles of white so that I know for sure the Dancing Fuchsia will show up. Put some right next to it. No idea what this is going to look like, but it looks pretty cool right now. It just makes me want orange. Don't ask me why. But I'm loving what I've got. I'll have to be kind of careful. Before I'm done with the purples, I think it's going to be Whispering Wisteria, which is a lot. Look how much that's like the Frozen Amethyst. Well, I'm not going to go overboard on that. I'm going to use a little bit of orange here and there. I might indulge in some of the color I call Tangerine. I might tip this. I think I'd like to use a little more frozen and put some of it right in the... Or maybe I haven't used it yet and I'm using it for the first time. Yep, brain cramp. Alright, that's pretty cool. I still see this silver. And it's still calling me. Not going to go through the middle because there's really no point in my mind. That'd be a waste, I think. Okay, it's time to swipe if there ever was one. I'd like to get a few things out of my way, but not going to take too long about it. I want to grab a skewer and move some of these blobs off the canvas. I might run that through at the end. For some reason those little blobs never make me happy. But I suppose I could fix them later. I could also call it done right now. I cut a card down to size. So it was smaller than my usual playing card size. And I've got a dish. I'm going to use it to put... someday I need some yellow cell activator. But right now I'm going to try the black. If I want more, I will. These are the size of my cards. One is slightly smaller than the other. Speaking of yellow, before I go any further, I did talk about using some of the Tangerine, which is sour lemon, with a little bit of dancing fuchsia. And I suppose I could always... I like the dot. It inspired me to think maybe dots would be fun too. If I had gold in there, it's mostly gone. Maybe I should put a little more in there before I start swiping. I think that that's a good idea. Alright, here goes nothing. I hope this is the skinniest card I have, because I really don't want to ruin what I've got, and I really like what I've got already. And maybe I'll go back, switch back and forth between them so I don't have to clean that off in between. Pretty little cells. I think I would love to have a scrape dish. Scrape dish is just to get the excess color off. That's pretty cool. Is that a cell or... I don't know what that is. Scrape off my other card. I'm thinking maybe it would be okay. I really like my cell activator, my cobalt turquoise from Atelier. That was too much. And there's something on there that doesn't want to be there. I don't recall that happening before. For an object in my cell activator. Great colors. Great cells too, actually. I think I'm going to enjoy using my my skewer, but sometimes I just drag things down. In that case, I took advantage of the fact that there's some black dribble puddle. Let's use it my colors. had some in my dish, I'd probably use them. I'm going to try some of the turquoise on the outside. But I really love how the black looks. Let's give it a little bit of a shake. Let's come over this way. I'm liking this a lot. I don't know how that's going to look. It's not looking like it's breaking up into cells at all. And that would be bad. I would not like that. Well, panic has now set in. Let me wipe that off. I'll go back to the black, since I'm really not seeing anything I like there. They're starting to come up a little bit. I'm going to move to the other side. And I'm going to scrape this off right there because the colors are good. And I'm going to use up my cell activator again, although there really isn't very much left there. I finally got some cells in the turquoise. I don't think anybody will ever notice. Okay, so this could hang any way you want. And if I'm going to do something else to it, it's going to be with a skewer. I like the lines in the background. My usual is to either dot or spiral, and maybe I want to do both. But I'm going to torch really quick. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.